This is my Centro 22 circular knitting machine, and it grinds and it pops like this all the time. And I've had 2 of them and they both have done the same thing. So a couple of things that can help with this. One, I did hear that there is an SD shop that has a different gear and handle you can get to replace this. And they said it helps it not to do that. The other thing that I have heard is to get the Addy. But when I looked at a price comparison, the Centro 22 circular knitting machine 2-day on Amazon was 20% off, so it was $32. And this is a plastic product. Now the Addy, I looked, if they had their Gen 1, it was $108, and it's an all metal product, so I understand why it's more expensive. And then they have their called New and Improved, or Gen 2, and it was $189, and it did come with a few extra accessories. So we're looking at a really big difference in price between the Centro, which is plastic, and an Addy, which is metal. So the one thing, I'm just not ready to spend that type of money on an Addy yet. Maybe one day I will. But here's what I have figured out when I was making a sock doll is to cast on and crank backwards. So opposite of what you normally do, like I'm doing now. Now this does not 100% fix the problem. It still does grind and pop, and you'll see it when I go to change colors here in a minute. I think it was just a little bit too tight and it grinds, but it works much better than when trying to cast on the normal way and cranking forward. So I just thought I would share this. This is just a nice little quick tip on if you're having this issue, maybe try casting on backwards. It seems to work better for me. The other thing, I think I might order that SD gear, and they have it for all the different type of Centro machines. You can just Google that. I'm no way affiliated, but if I do get one, I will do a video and I'll let you know if it works good or not for cranking it forward. But I will just let this video go on in real time for a few minutes just so you can see how, like I said, not 100% perfect, but it does work better doing it this way. So please give me a like and follow if you'd like to see more tips like this for your knitting machine. And I also have free patterns and tutorials on my TikTok page as well. Thank you so much for watching and happy crafting. Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In and out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,